Hello, you motorcycle enthusiasts. In addition to the disassembly and assembly videos you're already familiar with, here's a short video series that will give you a closer look at the contents of keister repair kits. I'll show you what's inside and what it's used for. This is a rebuild kit for the Yamaha FZR600. Specifically, it's for the model 3RH, built from '89 to '93. Also keep in mind that you'll be needing 4 of these. All right, let's get going here. This right here is the gasket for the float bowl cover. Then right here we've got a new float needle. And then right here we've got 2 O-rings, kind of a larger one here on the left, and the right one is a bit smaller. The larger one is for this part right here, so it's for the throttle slide, and it's placed right here on the bottom. Whereas a small one seals the clip holding the float as well as the valve needle seat. And then we've got this small little gasket here which seals the bottom of the nozzle block. So that's what you'll find in the rebuild kit, but we also recommend that you order a couple of extra parts, and we're going to provide links for that in the video description. Keep in mind that when you take these carbs apart, make sure you keep all the parts separated. And now you can see these seals or caps right here, which there are 6 specifically on 2 ends of this T-junction, into which the fuel flows into this third part and then into carb 1 and 2 and carbs 3 and 4 respectively. And these 6 caps you'll also find in the video description. And then we recommend that you also order these 4 O-rings. This T-junction right here sits in between the float chambers and serves as an overflow valve. So these 4 O-rings, we've also put them into the video description. Yes, friends, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. We appreciate your support through subscriptions and wish you lots of fun while working on your projects. Until the next video, ciao.